Kumikot pa ng taon nito.
One more pair, come on!
Miko!
Sabay sa Riri.
Hawak at islog, hawak at islog.
Matay mo. Kasi may mata.
Guys, hanggang dito lang ang malalim.
Hindi na tayo po. May tumama.
Sige, lumapit ka sa akin.
One ang pana mo dyan.
Nico! Nico!
Game.
Game!
Ay! Bago na! Liko! Liko! Okay!
MC!
Ano nga? MC! Wait lang! Ako!
Hi guys, sorry that you're missing all the fun, but this is the first event for us today. It's gonna be chicken wrestling!
Okay!
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Hana! Okay, game! Hana, Dulce!
It's only the girls who can try to take out the others.
Bakla!
Okay, you can splash water to disable your enemy, but and then you can put it out. That's okay. Pwede magkaroon?
Uy, wag na bunot!
You can
Ako sa punutan ko. Panot na ako nito eh.
Girls, you can push your opponent. Last pair standing wins.
Ano price?
Game! Prize kiss ko! Ha? Galingan mo, Liway! Yay! Tayo na, huwag nito! Lamig! Oh! Go, Sonya Hakyo!
So, it's a battle between two babes of Sonyo Hakyo. Sige naman, hindi ko pa yan.
Sonya Hakyo! Sarangheyo!
Okay, let's have a
Ready, go!